Now Palantir at this point, downtrend is expected to break with 20 exponential moving average right now reclaiming. Okay, if it doesn't, then we're going to be looking for more. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. Well, this is your boy Francis. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. If this is your first time, you are welcome to this channel. Well, we're going to be talking about stocks as usual, and of course we're going to be looking at the economic calendar. We're going to be talking about TikTok ban. We're going to be talking about the sector, different sector, and what we're expecting, and of course which sectors are red for the week. Okay, so let's take a look at the US economic calendar first, and then we're going to go into the market sector. Monday, pretty much nothing scheduled because it is a holiday, MLK day. Okay, so Tuesday, nothing scheduled. Wednesday, we're going to have US economic indicators, as well as Thursday initial jobless claim. Friday is going to be S&P Flash US Services PMI, and of course existing home sales, and then I think the following week is going to be new home sales. So consumer sentiment as well, which is going to be final, and we're going to be looking for more action pretty much on Wednesday and on Friday. So keep an eye out for the action come Tuesday after the Monday inauguration, right? So keep an eye out. Other than that, we have the sector, different sector, pretty much leading sector, financial leading, technology leading, semiconductors okay there, industrial good, and of course healthcare is to the downside, maybe changes coming, who knows, right? Biotech as well is also on the red side. So healthcare leading that side, that sector, pretty much to the downside. Anyways, we are going to be looking at some form of let's see right here. We're gonna be picking up on a TikTok ban. So pretty much it has been announced that TikTok will be banned, and of course users will be forced to look for other alternative to TikTok. All right, so which means a whole lot of US users gonna be looking for like a red note and all that in terms of going against the US government ban. So if TikTok is no longer there, we're going to be looking for other popular apps to actually use in the US. So keep an eye out on this, and of course I will be expecting Meta of course to also push to the upside because of their Instagram as well as YouTube as well on Shorts, right? Now let's get into the stocks. Let's see what we're looking at and where we're expecting the market to go, right? Also keep an eye out for earnings report. It's gonna be an interesting week. Tuesday, pretty much Netflix, United, InteractiveBrokers, Capital One, and so on and so forth. 3Ms and Schwab is going to be before the market open. Wednesday, PG is gonna be dead, J&J, Halliburton, and Discover, Ally, and all Comerica as well. And Thursday, pretty much we have GE, Texas Instrument, First, Elephants Health, and United Pacific. So Pacific, UNP, Alaska Airline will be in play as well. Intuitive as well, I like that name. Friday, pretty much Verizon, American Express, Nextera, and and of course we're also going to have First Citizens bank shares as well. So guys, it's gonna be an interesting week for earnings report, so keep an eye out on those play. Now our first stock is Alright guys, so we're going to be looking at SPY as well, see what the market and where the market is going right now. We're looking at SPY. We actually did shoot through the downtrend right here, rejected it back down and tested below 580, only to find support there. And at this point right now, we're looking at price breaking, beautiful doji right there, and we're looking at more to the upside. The buyers and the sellers actually came in as well. We got a beautiful green candle. See if this can continue back above $600, and then we should be all right for a momentum to the upside above 600. Okay, just depend on what the action is going to be on Monday on the inauguration, and then Tuesday we'll see where the market is going to be headed, right? So keep an eye out on the market there. Also taking a look at QQQ. Also, we're looking at downtrend breaking right now with a beautiful buy on this candle. So keep an eye out. IWM, pretty much they are still pretty much this is fighting this resistance zone right here, and if this can break through them, this will continue to push to the upside. This is your Russell 2000. First stock is gonna be CROM. CROM, we're looking at downtrend right here, which coincide with our 20 exponential moving average to the upside. So keep an eye out, see if this continue to rally. Other than that, keep an eye out on the 320. That is going to be our support, with the US and China actually coming together in trying to figure out or iron out a deal. At this point, BABA is also another name to watch. Right now at this point, downtrend needs to break and $86 and above, and then we should be all right. We gonna be all right. S square or SQ right here, we're looking at block, aka downtrend, broke, reject, and then back down. Okay, shake out a lot of hands here, and now looking to move to the upside. 20 exponential moving average, that is the area to break that spot. Then we're looking at that downtrend, so $90 need to revisit, and then we should be good there to continue to the upside. Tesla here, we're looking at this area of resistance, 426, 427. For overall, I'm looking for another retest of the 20 exponential moving average. If it does come, I'll take it. If not, we're looking at 450, let's say 430 in the next couple of days. So keep an eye out there on Tuesday. SPOT as well. This is Spotify. Downtrend broke, and now we're trying to retest that downtrend. So keep a close eye on that name. Apple, overall, Apple right now we're looking at a stock breaking levels, breaking support right now. The support we have is 230. We pretty much close right around there, and if that doesn't hold, we're going to be looking at 225. For now, expect this to hold, and then we'll continue back into 235 or even 240 on that name. Union Pacific, right now they do have earnings report this coming week. So right now 235, that is our resistance. After that, 240 reject. If they do good, I'll be looking for above 240 on this name. If they do bad, we're going to be expected that this price gets to 227 or 225 in the next couple of days. For now, Palantir at this point, downtrend is expected to break with 20 exponential moving average right now reclaiming. Okay, if it doesn't, then we're going to be looking for more to the downside, back into the $66-65 dollars as well. Intuitive, this name is ISRG. Right now they're looking at a continuation to the upside, broke downtrend, and then boom boom boom. Right now this name is actually pushing into earnings report, so therefore not a recommendation. I will be looking for some puts position here for the long term. This is not a recommendation at all to buy or to sell any stock or equity. This is for entertainment purposes only. ABT as well, looking at the downtrend here, that is my expectation. If it doesn't, then we'll look for more. 20 failed, then 112, that is going to be the next level of support. NEE as well, they do have earnings, and these are the channel I will be watching for a breakout or breakdown. So keep an eye out on that $72 spot on that name. GEV right now, GE Venova, we're looking at breaking price, pretty much breaking level, retest, and then boom to the upside. I do like and I love a situation whereby stock actually break out, retest, and then boom to the upside. That is one of my favorite partner as well. So I always look for price retest and then get that position for a long term, and then sell on extension. HUM, looking at this downtrend as well, that is my area of resistance, and of course if this continue to the upside, we're going to be looking at $300 or $315 in the coming days. Our support is at this, we're looking at trend support right there, so keep an eye out as well. Netflix actually didn't do bad. They actually rejected level, failed, found support, and now trying to reclaim the 50 exponential moving average. If it does, look for $900 in the coming days on that name. NVDA as well. NVDA actually rallied from this support area of 130 all the way to the upside, tapped the 138 139 area, only to close right around this trend downtrend here. So keep an eye out. If this does break into 140, this can rally up as well. LLY, I sold some of my position right into $800, only for price to reject the 50 exponential moving average back down, and now we're looking at support at 725. I will be picking some up here as well. Not a recommendation, guys. Schwab also have report, earnings report coming up, and then we're looking at price breaking resistance now. So if they do good, we're going to be looking at $82. If they do bad, we're going to be looking at price back below the 200 moving average there, guys. So keep an eye out on that name. AMAT downtrend break, retest, and then boom to the upside. Remember, I talked about it a couple of minutes ago. We tend to break out of downtrend, retest it, and then boom to the upside. I do love chart with that pattern. Right now, TGT, we're looking at TGT, and TGT, I'm actually expecting the 20 and 50 exponential moving average area. If that does happen and hold reclaim, we're looking at 143 next on the business on this beautiful name. So keep an eye out there. J&J also have earnings report coming up. Downtrend expectation here is for price to break through the 50 and then back into the 200 moving average level. That's what we're expecting. Taking a look at Amazon as well. Right now, Amazon is looking at breaking this downtrend right now. So keep an eye out there. I think Amazon ready for the 230 area, or even 240 in the next coming days. So thank you guys for being here. Remember, this is not a recommendation to buy or to sell any stock or equity. This is for entertainment purposes only, guys. The remaining chart, I'm gonna put them up later on, and then you see them talk tweet. Thank you guys, and have a fantastic weekend, guys. Peace, love, bye bye.